Welcome to science class for 3rd standard and the topic is birds. You all know the lesson. In the previous class we have learnt about how do birds fly and different types of feathers we have learned and flightless birds we have learned. So how do birds fly, children? How they are able to fly? The birds have streamlined body. Okay, they have streamlined body and also the bones are light and hollow. And the bones get filled with air and it makes it light, and also birds' muscles are very strong and it helps in the movements of wings. And also we learnt about two movements of wings. So what are they? Upstroke movement and downstroke movements. That is upstroke movement and downstroke movement. Upstroke movement and downstroke movement. And also we learnt about flightless birds. These birds are very big in size and heavy in weight. These birds are big in size and heavy in weight, and also they got very strong legs also, but they can't fly. So these examples of such birds are ostrich, kiwi, emu, penguins. So these birds are called flightless birds. Till here we have learned. So let us learn about how do birds use their beaks. Birds use their beaks to catch their food, and also they use their beaks for grooming, preening, protecting themselves, feeding the young ones and building the nest. They use their beaks to build the nest, for protecting itself and for feeding the young ones, and also for cleaning also. So let us today learn how birds have got different kinds of beaks. So from this lesson we are going to learn that one. So different birds have different kinds of beaks. So it helps them to eat their food. So different birds have different kinds of beaks which help them to eat their food. What birds will eat? Birds eat grains, seeds, fruits and flesh. So let us today learn about different birds, different beaks of different birds and how they use their beak. Okay children, let me start with the eagle, vulture and hawk. Eagle, vulture and hawk have strong, sharp and hooked beak. Eagle, vulture and hawk have strong, sharp and hooked beak. You can see in the picture here. So they use their beak to take the flesh of small animals like mice and squirrel. So these birds are called birds of prey because they hunt these animals, small animals, and they eat those. So that only it is called birds of prey. And also it has got very sharp eyesight, children, like eagle, vulture and all. So they hunt these animals and they eat. So they have got strong, sharp and hooked beak. You can see in the textbook. So you can see the hooked beak there. And the next is birds like sparrow, peacock, pigeon have short and hard and strong beaks which help them to pick up and crush their food. Which help them to pick up and crush their food. Like sparrow, peacock, pigeon have short, hard and strong beaks. Okay, so these birds eat nuts and seeds. Okay, next is birds like, you can see in the picture here. So the birds like sparrow, peacock and all have short, hard and strong beak. So next is birds like ducks, swan and goose have broad and flat beaks. Have broad and flat beaks. So which help them to detect, grab and swallow the food from the muddy water. So grab means to catch something. So what they do? They use their beaks to detect, grab and swallow their food from the muddy water. And also they use their beaks to filter the water and waste. They also use their beaks to filter the water and waste, and small worms and then insects and plant parts remains in its mouth as a food. So like that it uses its beak. Okay children, so let us move on to the next bird. So you can see the beak here, flat and broad beak of the duck, swan and goose. Okay, next is birds like parrots. Birds like parrots have short and curved beaks. Parrots like birds like parrots have short and curved beaks. crack the hard nuts and seeds, which help them to, beaks help them to crack the hard nuts and seeds. And birds like woodpecker have strong chisel-shaped beak. So you can see in the picture here, woodpecker have strong chisel-shaped beaks which help them to peck the bark of the trees. Peck the bark of the trees and also to pull out the insects from the hole of the tree trunk. Okay. So they peck so hard it can make hole in the bark of the tree. You can see in the Discovery Channel or Geography Channel, you can see that. So the different birds you see, you will get the idea there. Okay, and next is birds like hummingbirds and sunbirds have long and pointed beaks. They have got long and pointed beak which help them to suck the nectar from the flowers. Which help to suck the nectar from the flowers. So you can see here, hummingbird have long beak which help to suck the nectar from the flowers. Okay, children. So let us stop here. I'm going to continue the lesson in the next class. We are going to learn about feet and claws. We are going to learn about feet and claws, children. So see you in the next class. Along with the pictures, I will show you the feet and claws and also the different types of nests you can see here. So let me explain this in the next class. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.